I bought a Gucci bag. I was so excited about this, you guys. I couldn't wait to open it. I opened it yesterday and I've been thinking, should I keep it? Should I return it? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is obviously not the first time I purchased anything from Fashionphile. Most of the things that I buy, I love, and I try to do very smart purchases. But I think this might be one of those that is just not gonna work, okay? And I think the only other handbag that I've returned in the past, which was last year, was the Fendi Peekaboo East West, which I was so excited about, and yeah, it went back. So since that time, I purchased some shoes and jewelry pieces, some other things that I absolutely love. So you guys, last week, yes, I did some shopping, and this is the bag. This is the Gucci bag that I kind of had on my mind for the past few months, 6-7 months or so, and I've been looking online and trying to see how people style it, and just doing some research. And I thought, yes, I'm so into Gucci. I love the Gucci recently, and this is more kind of like, they're bringing more of those vintage bags back to the collection. And I instantly love that, but I knew I was not gonna buy brand new because it's just ridiculously expensive. So I thought when I find a good one on Fashionphile in the excellent condition, I'm just gonna go for it. So let me show you what I've got. All right, guys, let me show you what I purchased last week. Ta-da! So this is the Gucci Horsebit 1955, but this is obviously a new re-edition. I don't know exactly how the original looked like. I'm not sure if this is exactly the same as the original, but that front kind of resembles very much like a vintage handbag from 70s and 80s, which I really truly love. And but I have to tell you that I'm kind of a little bit disappointed, and why I think I might send this handbag back. I have 2 weeks to decide. It has to be returned within 2 weeks. And of course I have to keep that little Fashionphile authenticity tag attached. This handbag as of today, I think it's over $3,000 on the Gucci website. I saved $1,000 on this bag, so I purchased for around $2,000, which I think it's a pretty big chunk amount of money that you can save by buying pre-loved. And let me tell you, this bag looks almost like spanking brand new. There is obviously some like creasing, on the leather straps in here, because even like the way you kind of store it, that do you see how that strap kind of stays in place? So obviously there's gonna be like some details like this, but overall the bag is in absolutely excellent condition. It was marked as an excellent, and if you look at that little like a graph that they have, it was almost going towards the like brand new pristine condition. So I have absolutely no questions to the condition of the bag. I am just mainly disappointed with the size. Yes, I look at the measurements, and yes, I kind of look at the people's review, and some of them were saying what I kind of expected a little bit, and I'm gonna be honest, I didn't want to believe it. But now that I'm seeing the bag in person, because I have never seen that like in person, I think I will have to let it go. So it's mainly the size, you guys, and I'm just gonna show you. This bag looks like, I'm gonna show you from the size, looks pretty like it's gonna be a pretty decent size, and this everyday bag in my opinion, because it has those 3 compartments, like kind of the pochette Matisse from Louis Vuitton, which is very, very similar size. But trust me, I can put way more stuff in a pochette Matisse that I can fit into this, and I'll get there. So those 3 compartments, you would expect to have quite a bit of the room in the bag, but unfortunately that front as well as the back, compartment is very narrow, as you can tell, and the middle part is very rigid. This is very, very structured bag. So obviously if you put it down on the table, it's just gonna stay like this. This is just not gonna move. So love the design, love the shape of this. I love this little horse bit, detail up front. And this bag also came with the original dust bag, and it came with some kind of like Gucci paperwork. So this was included. So let me show you guys. This is all you have to play with, basically. And I don't know, in my head I was just imagining a little bit more room, a little bit more, space for your things. So basically you have this main compartment, then there's a little zipper pocket, and the lining is very beautiful, it's very soft, but there's not much you can really put in here. Maybe cell phone, and then I don't think you can really put much in the back as well, because the back is very, it's very structured, it's very rigid handbag. So yeah, the moment I opened it, the moment I look at it, it just reminds me of the size of this bag, which I have it for nearly 2 years now, and I am obsessed with this. I love this bag so much. And then I was thinking to myself, I can put probably more in this little guy than in this one. I mean, it's kind of funny, because this one is still, obviously the sides are very structured because of the leather. But when I open this bag, there is, there's a lot of room, that I can, obviously, I put a strap in here. Oh, sorry. Let me take my stuff out of here. I've been using this bag like non-stop, and mine is kind of like, I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit dirty inside. But yeah, I can really like put a lot of things in this little bag, and I love the fact that it has the long crossbody strap, also comes with the bracelet, which I never use. So basically, you guys, the size like of the inside of both bags is very, very comparable, if I have to be honest with you. So I was kind of disappointed. I really, because of how structured the bag is, I'm 100% sure I can put more in this than in this bag. And I was hoping to have a little bit more room. So this is probably like the biggest con. So yeah, I imagine this handbag to be slightly bigger, and that I will be able to put like, sometimes you just want to put random stuff. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to always be like playing Tetris. You know what I mean? Like, I want to sometimes put stuff in it and just go. Like I put in my Fendi soft handbag that I bought a couple of months ago, which I love because it's not a humongous bag, but it fits your essential plus more. And this one will be just a wallet, cell phone, keys, I don't know, sunglasses, lipstick, and that's pretty much it. And yes, you can fit a full-size wallet, but I can also put a full-size wallet in this one as well. And it's gonna take majority of the bag. So yeah, I am kind of disappointed, and I should have looked at the reviews a little bit more and kind of listened to people were saying, yeah, there's very little room, you guys. And I cannot imagine, like, even putting myself on here is gonna be so difficult, because those flat sections are just, yeah, two structures, and yeah, there's just absolutely no room, you guys. So yeah, I have enough of small bags, so I am kind of disappointed in a way, and that this is the main reason why I want to return the bag. I wish this handbag had just one big compartment, so without this separation. If this would be just one big compartment with that little zipper pocket on the side, I think it would be 10 out of 10. Keep the whole design, maybe do the strap a little bit longer, because the strap does not sit good on me. Like, it is, if you're a petite and super skinny, that probably would be good going crossbody, but on me it sits a little bit high, which looks a little bit funky, while this one, it's adjustable, and I can just put it anywhere I want, and it's great crossbody. So yeah, I wish they would do it a little bit differently. So just one section and you will have plenty of room. And because I absolutely love the design. I just love the design, you guys, and all the details. I mean, this is just beautiful. The little, you know, sides on the back that you have, those hardware, it's just beautiful. I really, and I love the style, love the color scheme. I think it looks just stylish. And yes, for those who are wondering, you can, I think you can put it on 3 different settings. So this is the lowest setting, which sits beautifully, comfortably. There's still plenty of room. And this is the highest setting of this handbag. So you can obviously move those little, there's like a button snaps that you can just open up here on both sides. And then you can go like a 1 section higher. So let me move it on both sides. Okay, so now it is a slightly longer strap drop. So let's say if you wear like a puffy coat, right? So now it sits a little bit lower and it's still great. See, I love the look of it. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So this would be the second kind of length, and then the last one is obviously the crossbody. So I'm just gonna open up completely and I'm just gonna show you quickly. So again, you're looking for those snaps. There we go. So this is on the handbag on the lowest setting, and I'm gonna put on me, you guys, so you can see it. I'm sorry you cannot see my face, but do you see how high it sits on me? It looks funny. I wish it was just a little bit lower. So unfortunately, yeah, this just not gonna work for me because it just looks funny. So I don't know. So yeah, so this is pretty much my dilemma. I love it, but I have a feeling like I'm not gonna reach for this as much as I'm, for example, you know, using this one. It's such a beautiful bag, but I think it needs to be redesigned, to be honest with you. And one big compartment, maybe even if they come up with the slightly bigger size. I mean, I do like the size though, because it's a great everyday bag, but I think because of the structure of the bag, I think it's kind of difficult to, you know, to carry more than just essentials and just use those pockets. I think it's just gonna be very uncomfortable. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna try to post this video as soon as I can tomorrow, and definitely leave me a comment. Let me know if you do own this bag. Do you use it? Do you reach for this often, and how comfortable it is to carry? Because yeah, I'm slightly disappointed, and you know, just the fact that it's not the same, but it's very similar, and I can fit more in this than I can put in that bag. And it's just, to me, it makes no sense, because I was hoping that this is gonna be slightly bigger, and like I said, that I can carry all the essentials plus a little bit more stuff, you know, when I need. And I'm just worrying that this is gonna be another little bag, and I have so many little bags at this point that I don't think I need another one like this. And I was looking more towards like buying mid-size kind of a bag. So and Gucci, because I don't know, I'm just so into Gucci right now. So anyway, yes, this is it for today. So definitely leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Like I said, it's expensive bag, and I do not want to just keep it for the sake of keeping it, you know. I have 2 weeks to decide, so I'm just gonna play around, walk around the house, and try to put my stuff in there and see how easy it is to take it in and out, and you know. But anyway, leave me any recommendation you can. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.